Hi guys, welcome back to our channels. How are you today? Today I will show you how to dress our princess by using Play-Doh and stickers. First, I use Play-Doh to shape a dress in blue. I use one of the Play-Doh bottle to shape the Play-Doh in bell shape, like this. I will use the blue stone stickers to stick one by one on the dress, like this. Beautiful! Now our princess is dressed in beautiful shiny blue dress. Great! I will let the princess wear a green dress. I love greens. I also shape a dress by using a green Play-Doh. Then I use green stone stickers to put on the dress. Beautiful! Ta-da! Do you see our princess is prettier in this green dress? Yes, I think so. I will dress our next princess in a red dress. I also use Play-Doh to shape a dress. Do you wonder how the dress looks like after we finish? Let's do it together. It is quite easy to put the stickers on the bottom of the dress. However, on the top, we need to be more careful. Make sure that all the stickers cover all the corners. Great! Looks so beautiful! Next, I will dress our last princess in white. This time, I use white stone stickers to cover the dress. I love white stone. It looks like stars on the sky. It makes the princess look stunning. There, we have all the princess dress. They are ready for a party. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.